Most people take their complaints about car repairs to the next mechanic they use. But when transactions between vehicle owners and car repair businesses in Montgomery County reach a serious conflict point, the county's Office of Consumer Protection often can help. When there is a dispute, it's important for residents to be aware that there are resources available through our outstanding OCP department that can help them resolve them. I encourage all residents to contact our Office of Consumer Protection if they feel they're being ripped off or scammed by any business, especially when it comes to potentially expensive automotive services. Here are some things you might not know about auto repairs. Estimates for work more than $25 must be given upon request. The final bill must be within 10% of the estimate, unless the customer is notified and agrees. Authorizations, either written or oral, are required before auto repair companies are allowed to do any work on your vehicle. Used or rebuilt parts must be identified in the estimates repair shops give customers. Labor charges, service charges, and charges tied to the release of your vehicle, if it is not repaired, must be stated by a company before giving you the estimated cost of repair. It is important that the relationship between the consumers and car repair operations be one of excellent service, respect, trust, and transparency. To learn more about how the Office of Consumer Protection can help you with automobile or other consumer issues, please visit montgomerycountymd.gov/OCP.